Tab stops allow you to modify the horizontal position at which text is positioned on a line. Word allows you to preface the tabbed position of your text with a leader character of your choosing, as demonstrated in this quick tip. You can see on the screen here that I have the start of a very simple table of contents. You've probably seen them in books before. You maybe even have to create them for your own documents. It's not unusual with these to go to the end of whatever the word is at the left side of the table of contents, press the tab character, and then put the page number. And then you would do that for each line. I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, and 4 down here so that you can see very easily what those page numbers are. I could also make them higher page numbers like that. It doesn't really matter. If you want those numbers to be further right on the page, it's often hard to track them with your eyes to be able to see which number belongs with which part in the table of contents. It's much better to add a leader character in here. Well, you probably already know how to insert the tab stops. What you may not know is that Word allows you to control what characters are inserted in the otherwise blank area created by the tab. These characters are called leaders, and they're often used with right-aligned tabs or decimal tabs, particularly when the text column is quite wide and the tab will cover a wide area. Let's take a look at how you can use these types of leaders with your tab stops. All you have to do is go ahead and select all the paragraphs to which you want to apply the tab stop. We're then going to display the paragraph dialog box, and at the very bottom, click on the Tabs button. That displays the Tabs dialog box. Now you can see that there's no tabs already set in these lines, so I can go ahead and specify that I want to set a tab at 6.5 inches. That's going to place that tab stop at the very right side of the margin within this document. I want that tab to be right aligned, so I click on Right. And then down here in the leader area, I can specify what I want to be the leader character that leads up to where that tab stop occurs. I can have none, which is the default, or I can have dots, or I can have dashes, or I can have underlines. All I have to do is pick which one I want. So for instance, if I want dots to be in here, I would just click on dots. And now I can click on Set, and you see that the tab appears in the tab list here. And all I have to do is click on OK, and I have my tab stops within my document. This one that's blank right here is because we had an extra tab right after that number for chapter 1. So all I got to do is go and get rid of that, and I can see that I have my tab stop all set, right aligned. Notice that all the numbers are right aligned, and there's a leader character that leads up to where that tab stop is. It helps guide the reader's eye right across the page so that they can see what number belongs with whatever's at the left side of that screen. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please be sure to share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.